xong rồi. Nào ngồi chạy chỗ nhanh. Nhanh. Mai đến sớm tha hồ chơi chán thôi học nhanh. Ngồi vào ghế. Không có gọi mẹ cho về ngay.
Gọi cho về đi.
Gọi cho về rồi. Rồi.
Họ học.
Okay. Can you remember? Can you remember? Now we play the game again. Okay. What's missing? What animal missing?
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What animal is missing? Okay.
It's a cow.
It's a cow. Very good. Okay. One more time. Close your eyes, everyone. Close your eyes. What animal is missing? Okay.
It's a deer.
It's a deer. Why so quickly? It's a deer. Okay, everyone focus on. Huh? Okay. Play again. Close your eyes. 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 Okay, what animal is missing? Okay.
Elephant.
Oh, elephant. Okay, we finished. Do you want to play more? You want to play more? You want to play more?
Yes.
Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. What animal is missing? Okay. Okay. Anyone have the answer? Anyone have the answer? What animal is missing? What's the big? Zebra! Very good. Now you got it. Okay. You want to play more?
Yeah.
Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Close your eyes. Close your eyes up. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, please. Okay, what animal is missing? Who? What animal is missing? What animal is missing? Okay. It's a what? What animal is missing? What animal is missing? What animal is missing? What? No? Huh? It's a cat. That's right. Okay. Do you want to play now? Change the position. Okay. You want to play more? Yeah, you want to play more? Okay, I will change it. Okay. You want to play more? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, what animal is missing? What animal is missing? What animal is missing? Okay. A cow? Oh, that's a cow. Okay. Let's change. Play one more time. We almost finished. You want to play more?
Yeah.
Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. What animal is missing? What animal is missing? Pig? What animal is missing? Pig? It's a tiger. That's right! It's a tiger! Okay, one more time. Nice thing to be more difficult, right? Hey, close your eyes, alright? Let's close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. What animal is missing? No, it's not the dog. The dog is here. Subi.
Lion.
The lion.
Lion.
Oh, it's a lion. It's a lion. Okay. Wanna play more?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes. 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 Okay. Open your eye. What animal is missing? What animal is missing? Subi?
Cow.
No, it's not a cow. I see the cow's ears. What animal is missing? Okay.
It's a giraffe.
Giraffe. Let's check it out. Is it a
Giraffe.
Giraffe? That's right. It's a giraffe. Okay.
It's a giraffe.
One more time and then we finish today, okay? One more time, honey. Up. Raise your hand. Up, raise your hands, okay? Okay. Last time, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Okay. What animal is missing? Nam? Is it a monkey?
Monkey.
Is it a monkey? Oh, that's right. It's a monkey. Very good. Okay, today we finish here. See you next time, okay? See you next time. See you next time. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Rồi, đây các bạn học đây nha.